It's recording now. Alright, we got this loser.
I ain't no loser. You the loser. See, I'm the one that's making the money. He the cameraman.
He got a new dress in the mail. What you got? What you got?
It's an old baby bag. Y'all don't know nothing about that.
You got me recording you opening up a purse.
Ain't no purse. It's a backpack. And they fresh. And they fresh. Y'all ain't got these.
Oh, you good. Let me get ahead.
He's getting this stuff illegally.
No, I ain't like Quincy.
She's bad.
Yeah, women gonna love them. Cause they women's.
You a hater, man.
And I'm good at it.
Oh, shoot.
And they got the extra legs.
What is that, your ice cream?
How much this set you back?
None, cause I'm balling.
I can wear these shoes.
He's stealing.
What is that black thing?
What? That's a purse.
That's a bag.
It's a purse.
I say you take the bag.
Yeah, you never gave me that.
I need this. I gotta go places.
You forgot to yell out your FRESHYFRESH19
Yeah,
code.
I forgot.
What the hell on the gun? Q-screen.
You better get him your code before I hit
You going,
the
but
end
time
of
you gonna play, you don't got no. Look at that bum on side here, face. I want it so bad.
How you talking about bumps? We making a video,
Yeah,
woman.
bitch, you might as well just put it out. Video is done.
You supposed to give him your code, your rep code or whatever you was talking about.
Rep code FRESHYFRESH19.
Oh, I had it right.
Yeah.
Bastard. See, he giving subliminal messages and got his rep code stuck in my head. And cut.